Hey y'all, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple bow using just some wired ribbon, a piece of floral wire, as well as getting your nice scissors out. I always like to keep one pair of scissors that are especially for ribbon cutting. That way that your scissors don't get dull. So what I do is I kind of leave a tail end on one end of the ribbon, and then I make a loop. I figured I'd film this way because I like to see how to do things from my perspective as opposed to watching somebody else from their perspective. So I just made that loop. Keep your tail end on the opposite side, then go ahead and go underneath, make another loop, and just pinch that together. And when you're making bows for the holidays, always use a ribbon that has wire in it. That way it's much easier to work with and you can maneuver it all different ways. So now I just go to the next one and I put it beside that first loop that I made, and then just go ahead and pinch it together. And then I just repeat the process over. You can kind of finagle it however you want to during the process or after, just to make it nice and fluffy. But yeah, you just keep pinching, and then I'm going to do my fifth loop. So just always pinching those together. I always like to do my bows with 6 loops. I'm not sure why. I kind of like 3s, I guess. I just think they look better with 3 on each side. And then once you have all of those together, kind of pinch it again, and you can kind of go around and kind of maneuver them how you want them. And then I'm going to take my floral wire that I pre-cut. Always pre-cut your wire that way, because you only have one hand. Go ahead and put that in the center of the ribbon, pinch those together, wrap it around the back of the ribbon, and then you're just going to twist tie it until it's secure. Now once that's secure, you can go around and kind of fluff it how you'd want it. I try to get it all in one circle, not like 3 bunches on each side. So I try to bring those kind of together. This ribbon I had purchased from Walmart, and I was super impressed because it had lots of feet on each roll. Then once I get that all done, I go ahead and cut a smaller strip, and that's going to hide anything in the middle. So I just kind of pinch that on each end, wrap it around the middle. So that way it kind of looks like you had a loop already made. So that's just my little ribbon hack. And then I just secure that with the floral wire. So now that everything is secure on the back, now you can go ahead and kind of maneuver each loop how you want it. Again, like I said, always get wired ribbon when you're doing this, because that way it'll keep its shape and it's a lot easier to work with. And you can secure your bow on the top of the wreath or the bottom, whichever you like. And then I'm going to show you an easy way to cut your ribbon to make that fishtail. So you just fold it in half, get your nice scissors, and just cut it at an angle. Watch out for your fingers like I almost just did. That way on each side it's even, and you can kind of maneuver the ribbon how you like. And there you have it, y'all. Thanks for flying by, and I'll catch y'all again soon.